extend our heartfelt thanks to Aurora Pacific Economic Zone and Freeports Authority for their unwavering partnership and dedication in exploring renewable energy investments in Kasiguran, Aurora. Renewable energy is not just a buzzword. It is the cornerstone of a sustainable future. As we face the global challenges of climate change and environmental degradation, our collective efforts in renewable energy investment are more critical than ever. The collaboration with APECO has been instrumental in advancing these efforts, bringing us closer to a cleaner, greener future for Kasiguran, Aurora, and beyond. I commend APECO President and CEO Attorney Gil Taway and his management team for its exemplary leadership and governance. Good governance is the bedrock of any successful initiative, and your commitment to transparency, accountability, stakeholder engagement has set a high standard for all of us. Your approach ensures that every project not only meets the highest environmental standards, but also brings tangible benefits to the local community. I would also like to recognize the leadership of Pacific Impact Managing Director James Inco, who has been a key figure in driving investment in the renewable energy and sustainable projects in Southeast Asia. His decision to prioritize the Philippines as a key area for investment speaks volume about his belief in our potential and commitment to fostering sustainable development in our country. We are truly honored to have him here with us today.